His eyes are red, it looks. Baby, his eyes look all weird. His eyes look weird.
What? What is that?
Oh no. Cookie. Henry. I can't, he's not right.
Cookie.
Let's get him to the vet. You okay, Benny? Cookie, okay? Oh my God, let's take him to the vet. Let's take him.